Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to schedule posts on TikTok, iPhone, and Android. If you want to schedule a post on TikTok for iPhone and Android, you can follow these steps. Let's go step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged into your account, or create one if you do not already have one. Now, tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom center. Here, allow the app to take pictures and record videos. Next, you can either record a video or take a photo. After that, hit the next button and add it to the draft. Following that, search for the TikTok website. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You can hit the login button and continue with Google. By continuing with Google, choose your Google account to continue. You can also use it on a PC as it works the same as on mobile. On the left panel, click on Upload. Now, select the video to upload or drag and drop it here. Hit the Select Video button and select the video from your files. In the settings, mark a dot on Schedule. When you schedule a video, the video is saved on our servers before it is posted. All videos posted to TikTok must follow TikTok community guidelines. To confirm it, hit the Allow button. Lastly, choose the date and time at which you want to schedule the post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.